In this video, we are going to show you how to add sound effects to your project in CapCut Mobile. Now, we are going to start from scratch, so you can follow me step by step. So click new video. I'm going to choose a clip. I'm going to add that to our timeline. There we go. Now here you want to look at the menu on the bottom of your screen. You want to tap on audio, and then under audio, there's a star icon that says sound FX, right? So tap that. And then there's going to be a slide up, and there's going to be several options here. So you have your trending, which is the popular currently. You have ASMR, swooshes, variety show, vlog, comedy, gaming, machine sting. So there's a lot of options here, right? So for example, we want to add ambiance. So tap ambiance and just choose which one you want. So for example, we want to say maybe environmental sounds, right? And as you can see, you can hear it. Now, if you want to add that, all you need to do is click on that teal plus icon on your right hand side of that effects, like so. There we go. Now it is here, right? So as you can see, it is now entirely on your video. Now, of course, you want to cut it down to the exact amount you want. After that, you can now continue editing after you created your sound effects or added that to your video. Pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.